Have you ever tried to customize a button in your application only to find yourself stuck? It can be really frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to add text to a button that already has an icon. I totally get it. You want your button to be both functional and visually appealing. It's common to want to add text alongside an icon, but sometimes it just doesn't work as expected. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "How can I add the text feedback after the feedback hub icon on my button?" They provided their button code, but the text doesn't appear when they try to add it. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together and find a solution. So, what could be the issue here? In XAML, when you set the content property of a button, it can sometimes only accept a single string or a single UI element. This means that adding both an icon and text in the same content property can be tricky. But don't worry, we have a way around it. And stick around. I've got a simple solution at the end that will make your button look exactly how you want it. To add text next to the icon on the button, the user should use a stack panel to arrange the icon and text horizontally. This allows both elements to be displayed together. Next, the user should replace the existing button content with the stack panel. This will ensure that both the icon and the text are displayed correctly. Now, the user can customize the appearance of the text and icon if needed. This can include adjusting the font size or color to match the application's design. Finally, the user should test the button in the application to ensure that both the icon and the text are displayed as intended. This is an important step to confirm functionality. Fun fact, the Sego MDL2 Assets font includes a ton of icons that can make your applications look sleek and modern. It's like having a toolbox of visual elements at your fingertips. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests using a stack panel inside your button. This allows you to add multiple text blocks. You can place the icon in one text block and the text feedback in another, aligning them horizontally. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution suggests using a stack panel to add both the icon and text to the button. By setting the button's content to a stack panel, you can include a text block for the icon and another for the text. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative approach involves creating a custom control called Button with Icon. This control uses a dependency property for the icon content, allowing you to bind the icon codes separately from the button text. Next, define the style for this control in app.xaml. The style includes a stack panel to hold both the icon and the text, ensuring they are displayed together. Finally, use the custom control in your XAML by referencing the style and setting the icon and text properties. Don't forget to include the namespace for your custom controls. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative solution suggests using the app bar button control to add text alongside your icon. This built-in control allows you to easily incorporate both elements in your button. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always use a layout container like Stack Panel or Grid when you want to combine multiple UI elements. It keeps your code clean and your UI looking great. And there you have it. Your button should now display both the icon and the text as you wanted. Remember, using layout containers can simplify your UI design. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips. And don't miss our next video where we explore more UI customization tricks.